miles per hour.
70 mile an hour winds.
Located 11 miles northwest of Bitter Lake Wildlife Refuge, or about 13 miles north of Rosswell.
Yeah, that's that one.
East at 15 miles per hour. The National Weather Service in Albuquerque has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Chavez County and South.
Right, our storm is going. Let's see what we're doing on here, Pat. Look. So we're just going to chase along it.
Can you see that?
Yeah. Yeah.
Sorry, I'm just.
Can they see this on live stream? Yeah. They turn the thing on it.
Yeah. Let's see this. Let's see.
So you can see that shape.
Yeah,
I bet they're gobsmacked. I bet they're flipping gobsmacked.
It is 1 o'clock in the morning now, though.
Yeah, yeah. I'll be at NL, see it, Northern Light. What do you say?
Quality streaming.
Oh, look at that.
A lot of people were saying I think it's going to be a long night for us.
I've seen a wall cloud.
Beaut.
We have something that looks like a wall cloud up to the front left of the road.
Wow.
And that is where it's rotating.
Flipping brilliant. Hey, I was thinking, you know, clay, that dark clay, is that where the funnels come out of? If anything comes out?
Yeah.
Is that right?
Yeah. Strikes. Lots of strikes.
Your lads?
Take the satellite up. Put the tops on. Incredible. That is incredible. Video camera. Just chase rain showers, didn't it?
It's a rain shower then. Apart from that nice bit of Supercell bit. Do they normally die that quick?
Can do.
Yeah.
The structure is beautiful.
Yeah, at one point I was looking at
Red light on.
that is it. No, it's on button. Is that recording?
There's a red light on, so
It's got record on there. No. Shit, yeah. I can't. Oh no, stop it!
Cameras to keep an eye on you and secret sort of teleporters up to the spacecraft at night time.
It's a corridor, isn't it? Yeah, double video shooting.
and,
Tom, so you get 2 angles, mate.
Look at this. What? Ian's never ever recovered his shoes.
No.
They're still in Kansas.
Still down a Kansas dirt road.
And I do believe that the
Breaking it, barely tapping.
So you'll go home and do the same on your own car, so you
and
think,
run into
why?
the back of
Why?
Yeah.
Stop it! Oh, hello. It's like a dog wagging its tail, really, isn't it? Is this for the picture?
Oh, shit. Paul, I need to show you the picture, are we?
Can we take this before we go? Can I just go and...
You're on, Tommy. Just letting you know you're on video.
Oh, I'm on video. Hang on a second.
Yeah,
I'm
on
going to take a picture of you, take a picture of me.
You're on. Go on then. Hi. Hi.
Hello.
Hi. I won't shout my hand, mine. It looks horrible.
You don't, yeah.
No, I'll keep it that down
Hang
there.
out in front of you. Very
Yeah.
uncouth.
Yeah, that is that. One arm.
Well, oh, no, look, some people think that you've only got one arm. And have to give a sympathy vote.
Sounds like we're off. Well, something's happening. Sorry, mate.
This car's bigger than me.
I know, it's massive, isn't it? Gigantic. It makes you look small, mate. There's John. There's Tom.
It's a video.
It's a video, yeah.
I'm here for.
Sorry, mate.
I'm here.
Yeah.
Say boobies!
Says Johnny nicked my tail this morning, so I stink now. I haven't had a shower.
Alright, Pat.
Alright, mate. There's John
Video
Pike.
on that thing.
Yeah, it's video.
And no precipitation. For wind a high of 90, below 62. There was no precipitation. For wind a high of 83, below 60. No.
Spot spotted. Why, thank you, kind sir.
Where is it, John?
No,
I did see it, but I can't see it now.
it's obscured by the trees. I'm pretty Bobby coming out for a second.
Through 4 p.m., isolated to widely scattered showers and thunderstorms will develop and move towards the northeastern